viewers, welcome to Amazing Videos. Today's recipe is a South Indian sweet dish named as paisam. In this video, we will show you how to make this paisam. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also share with your friends and family members. This is going to be prepared by my friend Soumya, who will take us to the journey of the yummy recipe paisam made of moong dal, sago and coconut milk. Hi Soumya.
Hi.
Now let's begin with the moong dal paisam. We have taken here is 100 grams of moong dal. We have washed it and then soaked it for 2 hours in water. 100 gram of sago, washed it and then soaked it for again 2 hours. This is the fresh thick extract milk of full coconut. We have taken 450 grams of jaggery, which is grated. This is the thin extract of the coconut milk. We have taken 100 grams of cashew nuts, 100 grams of raisins, 5 cardamom pods which are crushed into powder. We will take 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 glasses of water and half teaspoon of salt. To begin with, let's first light the flame. Now we will add the soaked moong dal in the vessel. Now after we add this, we will add 2 glasses of water to it. After adding 2 glasses of water, we will bring it to a nice boil on a medium flame for approximately 10 minutes. Moong dal is now getting boiled. We will remove the white layer which is formed while boiling the moong dal. Now it's time to check on our moong dal. After 10 minutes, the moong dal should be soft. It should not be very soft, but you should feel the grain in every bite you eat. Now, since our moong dal is ready, we will add sago and cook for another 10 minutes until it becomes transparent. We had soaked the sago for 2 hours. Once we add it, we'll give it a nice stir. Reduce the flame to low while we add the thin extract of the coconut milk. Now here we have 2 different kind of coconut milk, thin and thick. To do this, it's very simple. First, we will add the shredded coconut in the grinder with 1 cup of water and squeeze it to get the thick extract. Now repeat the procedure and get the thin extract. We should keep stirring on regular intervals to avoid burns. Now let's check if the sago is cooked. Sago should become transparent and soft. Let us have a check on that. Yes, the sago has become soft and transparent. Now it's time to add the sugarcane jaggery in the mixture. We are going to add the 450 grams of jaggery as we are not using sugar in this paisam. Mix it well and you see the color of the mixture is changed. Now to make it more tasty, let's add half teaspoon of salt and stir it well and bring it to another boil for next 5 minutes. We will keep stirring on regular intervals to avoid burns. Now we will cook it for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, we will reduce the flame again and add the thick extract of the coconut milk to adjust the consistency. We will keep the flame low to avoid the separation of the coconut milk. This is a famous recipe in South India. Not only South Indians, people around the globe loves eating paisam. Now while our paisam is getting boiled, and to finish off this dish, we will keep a separate pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now once the ghee is melted, we will add the cashew nuts and fry it till it becomes light golden brown. Once the cashew nuts color are changing, we will remove it aside and add the raisins to the same ghee. When the raisins puff up, we will turn off the heat and keep it to cool for some time. Can you see the raisins are puffing up? Now it's time to remove them. We'll remove this and keep it aside. Now to get the heavenly aroma to the paisam, we will add the cardamom powder and give it a nice stir. Soumya, what are we going to add next in the paisam?
Cashew nuts.
Now after adding the cashew nuts, we will add the raisins which were fried in the ghee. We'll stir it well. Wow, I can smell the aroma of nice ghee and paisam. It has become thick and looks really delicious. Now after cooling down, it will become more thick. Moong dal and sago paisam is ready to serve. We don't need a special occasion to make this dish. This recipe is truly divine. It is one of our favorite recipes. Hope you will like it too. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with all your friends. Thank you, and thank you for watching.